Hello, today we'll show you the setup process for Samsung Galaxy M10. So as you can see, you can start by selecting if you want any language in particular to be used in the installation. I selected English United States. Sadly, the screen might be a bit low light, but don't worry, we can change it later. Now select Start. Now we can select to connect to Wi-Fi immediately, so the phone can select and download all kinds of firmware needed, or you can, for now, leave this option and select Next. Here you have to agree to all of the terms and conditions, and if you did, you can simply select I have read and agree to all of the above and select Next. Now the phone will set up and ask for your name and other things. I can simply call myself HardReset.Info 1 and go Next. Now you can select how do you want to protect your phone. Do you want to use a face recognition, a PIN, pattern or a password, or nothing? I'll say no, thank you, and skip this part. The phone will ask if you are sure. Skip anyway. Yes, you can always change it later. Now you can agree or disagree to all kinds of Google services and select Accept and get all of the recommended applications. You can select which ones you want or don't. I selected all of them and select Next. Now you can choose to sign in to your Samsung account if you have one. You can select Sign In or to create an account if you don't have one, or skip it entirely. I'll skip it for now. And select Skip once again, that I am sure of that. Now you have all kinds of useful features, like you can select to extend your battery life, select the font size and the zoom on the screen, enhance your lock screen, etc. Or simply select Finish. And just like that, the phone is ready to use, as you can see. And I can finally choose maybe to make the phone a bit brighter or change all kinds of different settings. Just like that. So I really hope this video helped you, and if it did, please leave a like and subscribe.